5 of the game brought to you by 1X.
With great offensive talent and some height.
Gabby Espinas taking Hogvis. Kasin, hang time, good challenge by Meneses. Bitoon to Kasin, trying to go glass, that won't go. Imperial on the break. Shaq, McCarthy is open. 3 is good.
Great last.
Cabanag, corner 3 from Kasin is good.
But Rashawn McCarthy.
Imperial draws the foul and that will count.
So Delphin having
also,
hindi makaka-basketball scene after managing a few teams here in the MPBL, hanggang nalaman niya available ang Cebu franchise dito. No-brainer daw ito, being born in Cebu and knowing that
With a lot of fellow Bisaya players.
Martel drives the hang time move. Holtquist secures the rebound. Daryl Manliguez looking to push. Meneses steps out to the three-point line. What a closeout by Gatprint. Oh, Manliguez to Martel. Too strong. Meneses with a stick back.
Now that's something I do remember.
The year last season. And Cabanag gets the steal off the blind side. Irvin Palencia from the corner. That's good. Manliguez. Martel. Mendoza. Inside. Manliguez dumps it to Meneses for 2. And Jeff Manday, I think he went here pre-pandemic and then he played 3x3.
Yes.
And shot clock. Takes the handoff. JJ Manlangit and knocks down the jumper. Caloocan and Cebu. JJ Manlangit for 3. It's good. JJ Manlangit showing us the JJ. Ball swiped away by Irvin Palencia. Oh, what a pass! Ang ganda naman nun.
Excellent find right there by Irvin Palencia.
Josh Flores. Inside, Flores, they forgot about him. Irvin Palencia. Palencia short on that one. Manday to Manlangit. JJ for 3. It's good. Full of 3-pointers. And that jumper earlier. McCarthy. Yes! In the handle.
I think they feel like yun na yung pulling pieces sa puzzle nila eh.
Ingles. Nice cut by Manlangit, who's up to 10 points. Imperial. Imperial, medyo masikip, binigay kay McCarthy. McCarthy passes it to the wrong guy and Joko Tayungtong will get the 2 points.
That's a walk in the park. Nobody going more dribbling in the half court by the Cebu Classic. Contrary to what they were doing majority of the first quarter.
Cebu able to get it across. De Santos to Ladis de Palam. Nice touch.
Just like what we saw in the first quarter galing sa kanila.
Sumuda knocks down the jumper.
Confident of what they can do on the floor.
Ladis, Hotel, and Meneses ang nagsisimula para sa kanila. Hogvis, nice fake. Hogvis puts it in for 2. Cabanag left open on that play. Kasin puts the ball on the deck. Jumper from Prince. Oh!
Nila.
McCarthy for 3. In and out and in again. He's a quality player, Javi.
He really about him is he's also very aggressive defensively and doesn't back down.
Kasin, another 3. Bottom of the net. Kalahat challenges the defense of Martel. That won't work. McCarthy ahead to Meneses. Meneses, right-handed scoop is good. In trouble. 3 seconds to shoot. Jeramer to Kasin.
Oh my! Oh, Prince Kasin.
14 puntos na, Prince Kasin. Hogvis did not respond to that 3-point. Great defense by Holmquist, denying Espinas. Manliguez, full head of steam. Darrell Manliguez.
No takeoff, but this is play of McCarthy keeping it alive for himself.
Manday finally hits the three. Napipilitan ng big man ngayon na sumabay.
Mismo.
Bito on for three. It's good. 10 3-pointers for Caloocan. And they beyond the arc. Taken away by Tayungtong. Joko leads it to Josh Flores.
At yung maganda sa kanila, you know, they know exactly where their teammates are gonna be on the floor.
Martel, the basket plus the foul.
They really needed that to avoid getting it me.
Manliguez to Tampos. 3-ball is good. Shooter.
You know, this is a guy that has flown over the radar para sa Cebu, and this might be just the time for him to try and help Cebu make a run. That
team that's taken away by Darrell Manliguez. Cebu on the run. Meneses fires. No. Nice fake by Tampos. He's been the spark here in the fourth.
But it's nice that you
Excellent
have a couple
timing.
of guys talking about the Batang Kangkalu after knocking down 10 in the first 3 periods.
Martel, this could be big. Leon Martel trims the deficit. The lane, no. Ang tapik to Manliguez, ahead to Mecca. Brian Mecca makes it a 5-point game. The rebound quickly to Manliguez. It's a 3-on-1 break. And Brian Mecca finishes it. And he can't call, Coach Ronnie cannot. 4 seconds on the shot clock. It's a wild shot from Chris Biton. And Brian Mecca with a defensive stop. Tampos!
Oh my goodness! As well.
Galing na naman kay Manliguez, eh, no?
9 assists in the game for Darrell Manliguez.
Cabanag, off-balance shot. Si Jeremy Cabanag, Manliguez nagmamadali. Tampos bumuelo! Tampos! 11 points in the fourth. The poise of Jeremy Cabanag there on full display. 7 in the ball game. Tampos. Oh! Tied game!
Wow!
Yes. To Martel. He goes to Mecca. Nice fake by Mecca. Off the glass and in! Cebu in the lead. Here from the Cebu Classic, and they look to complete that with 1 defensive stop. Cabanag launches the 3. It's good! We're far from finished here. 7 seconds remaining. Martel receives the inbound, and he is fouled by Gabby Espinas. 5 seconds remaining.
Oh, what a way to introduce yourself to Philippine professional basketball. Boom, boom. As seasoned veterans and a squad that's played with each other for so long, its score.
Immediately, 77-76, Martel, second free throw, no good. Agawan sa bola, scramble, Cabanag, Tumanday, and Cebu will escape with a victory, a stunning win over Caloocan.
Whew. I'm actually having goosebumps right now. What a game.
To remember, here's the scramble right here. Caloocan did get the loose ball. Cabanag able to find Manday, pero naubusan na siya ng oras dito. And he missed the layup as well.
Congratulations sa'yo. You had 16 points in just about 15 minutes of playtime. Ano yung nasa isip mo, lalo na nung pinasok ka sa laro in the fourth quarter?
Ano lang talaga, always ready. Tapos, dinoble namin yung depensa namin kasi naghahabol kami. Yun lang.
Limuel, sabi nga ni Voltaire, 2 taon kanya kinukumbinse maglaro para sa isa niyang kuponan. Ngayon, this is your first game sa MPBL at ikaw ang best player.